A raw lodestone on the desert sand marks the dawn of a mysterious power. From a thin iron needle floating in water to the ancient Han Dynasty spoons on bronze plates, humanity has long followed the Earth's invisible pull. Navigators once faced the dark sea with only the stars and a simple wooden box to guide their destiny. Renaissance scientists once mapped the hidden dance of magnetic declination, leading to the rhythmic brass gears of early azimuth tools. From the rugged copper cases of World War trenches to the rain-streaked glass of a soldier's kit, we pursued the truth of the North. Luminous markings began to glow in the dark, lighting a path through the shadows of history. Digital lines now visualize the magnetic forces surrounding our globe, as pure silicone oil is injected into the heart of the chamber. Dust dances in the light of an old forge, contrasting with the sleek CAD blueprints of modern liquid damping. Blue lasers sweep over solid aluminum alloys, forging a new era of unbreakable precision. Metallic powders flow into the feeders as our modern factory awakens under a brilliant dawn. The heavy steel doors of the assembly line swing open with industrial authority, revealing a world of white light. Robots begin their synchronized dance, marking the start of a production journey to craft the mechanical eyes of the wild. Military-grade aluminum ingots melt within high-pressure furnaces, forming the iconic clamshell silhouette of the compass. Robotic arms pluck the steaming frames from the press as automated lasers trim every edge with surgical accuracy. A matte, olive-drab powder coating is applied, creating a rugged shield built for the harshest battlefield. High-heat chambers cure the paint before stainless steel hinges are fitted to unite the frame. We verify the durability against mechanical scratches and install heavy-duty clips for the gear of a modern scout. Scale rulers are etched into the metal as robots verify the perfect 90-degree snap of the lid, a promise of structural integrity in any hand. Waterproof rubber gaskets are seated before the shells move through an ultrasonic bath for total purity. White laser beams etch the cardinal directions onto the exterior as high-impact glass is fitted to the frame. A hair-thin steel sighting wire is nested into the lid, creating a vital bridge between the eye of the soldier and the horizon. Finished cabinets line up like a silent army, reflecting the bright industrial glow of our modern workshop. Robotic arms verify the perfect snap of the locking clasp, ensuring the internal heart remains secure. This clean and rhythmic environment marks the completion of the exterior, now waiting for the brilliant magnetic soul to be nested within. Ultra-thin magnetic steel sheets are laser cut before being charged within a powerful field for permanent polarity. Robots paint the north tip in a vibrant red as jewel bearings are installed to eliminate every trace of friction. Inside a sealed acrylic capsule, pure silicone oil is injected, creating the liquid sanctuary where the needle will find its peace. Vacuum chambers remove every air bubble as luminous compass cards are printed for maximum visibility. Robots nest the magnetic needle into the center of the card, verifying its stability within the oil bath. Thermal diaphragms are added to the base, ensuring the capsule remains leak-proof even under the intense cold of the highest mountain peaks. The compass card rotates with fluid grace, finding its home in the absolute north. Light sweeps over the glistening oil as robots lock the capsule into the aluminum frame. Laser meters verify the alignment of the needle against the master axis, while green tritium vials begin to glow, a permanent lighthouse for the navigator in the darkest night. The connection between the jewel bearing and the needle is finalized, a masterpiece of fluid harmony. Every internal core receives its own digital identity, marking the convergence of magnetism and logic. This is the birth of the machine's instinct, ready to translate the Earth's heart into the permanent language of high-precision direction. Optical glass is ground into magnifying lenses and fitted into foldable supports on the main body. We verify the sighting slit and install permanent tritium markings for a lifelong glow. Every lens is checked for its transparency and power, ensuring that reading the degrees is effortless, even in the heat of a fast-moving operation. Mechanical bezels are installed with a crisp, satisfying click, calibrated to hold their position without drifting. We simulate the aim through the sighting wire, verifying the coaxial alignment between the eye and the needle. Anti-reflective coatings are applied to the glass, shielding the navigator from the blinding glare of the midday sun. Robotic arms test the bezel's resistance under simulated gloved hands as technical lights sweep across the scales. Specialized adhesives shield the optical parts from extreme humidity, creating a fortress of clarity. The sighting and reading systems are now complete, ready to face the unpredictable trials of the great and wild outdoors. Robots gently nest the compass card and glass into the main housing as hydraulic screwdrivers lock the frame together. The device then enters the shock chamber, proving its ability to withstand heavy impacts and falls onto solid concrete. We verify the magnetic integrity, ensuring the needle remains true even when surrounded by the iron of the world. Every unit is tested for 360-degree accuracy as it is submerged in high-pressure tanks to prove its depth resistance. After a robotic wipe with specialized solutions, laser-etched serial numbers and mil-spec certifications are applied. This is the final mark of our factory's legacy, a seal of trust for those who lead the way through the unknown. Robots lift the finished compasses into Cordura nylon pouches alongside their technical guides. Thermal glue seals the final boxes as the conveyor moves the pallets into our modern warehouse. A sea of shining lights marks the completion of a production cycle, where these mechanical eyes stand ready to depart for their mission on the planet's edge. Digital graphics reveal the magnetic veins of our world, flowing across continents. Tomorrow's compasses will integrate hybrid displays for a digital age. Yet the needle remains our ultimate anchor. Sunlight shines through the lens, a symbol of clarity. We build for the peace of mind that comes when all electronics fail, but the Earth's heart still speaks. Sustainable alloys form our future shells as a single luminous thread glows in the silence of the night. The factory falls into a peaceful night mode, where green energy powers the rhythmic dance of the robots. We see the reflection of the stars on the glass, a testament to our pursuit of precision for those who walk toward the first light of dawn. No goal is too far when the direction is true, bridging the gap between ancient stone and modern speed. From 3D blueprints to a tangible reality, our design stands as a work of mechanical art. A final laser sweep and a soft needle vibration pass the lens, signaling the end of the journey. We are not just building tools, we are crafting the heartbeat of courage. The factory fades into the blue light of the digital future. Navigating with spirit, building the journey. This is the eye of the wild. This is the promise of home for every explorer on the path.